Hello traders, welcome to a new video from FX Elite Club team. Hope you guys are all staying safe, and all our hearts and prayers with everybody and everyone who got hurt from this tough time we are in, and hopefully this will pass and everybody will be fine and safe. So in this video I'll be talking to you about a very interesting thing, and I think you will really like. I'll be talking to you about how to make a fortune from trading Forex, and how to decrease your loss to the minimum, to the most possible small loss that you could ever have. Well, this is basically talking about how to secure your contract size, how to secure your trade that you are in, and how to make sure you get out of it with profit instead of staying in it for a very long time and seeing it in a profit and you just close it at the wrong time and it ends up hitting your stop loss, or you close it in a loss, not in a profit. So I'll be sharing 4 methods with you that our team used to secure each and every trade, and we share this with our VIP members also. So the first method, as you can see, I wrote it here. First is to close some percent of your contract size and move your stop loss at entry, and this when the trade achieves like 50% of the take profit you set for it, or it achieves from 50 to 70 pips. 50 to 70 pips is a very satisfying profit in any trade in Forex. So when a trade achieves like 50 to 70 pips, or it achieves like 50% of the take profit you set for, you can close 50% of your contract size and move your stop loss at entry. So if you have a trade like a 1 lot size trade and it achieved like 50 pips, what you can do is that you close 50% and you keep the other 50 running, and you put your stop loss at the entry. So in this case, you guaranteed that you got some money from the trade you opened already, and when or if the trade decided to reverse on you, it will hit your stop loss, which is at entry, so you will end up with no loss at all. So this is the first method. The second method is to move your stop loss at entry point when your trade achieved like 50 pips or 50% of the contract 50% of the take profit, you set for. So what you do here is that you move your stop loss, but you don't close any of your contract size. So you will let the trade run, but you are now risk-free as your stop loss at entry. So if it reverses on you, you will get out without any loss. So this is the second method. The third method here is to close 50% of your contract size when your trade achieved like 50 pips or 50% of the take profit you set for. So if the trade moved 50 pips, 50, 60, 70 pips, whatever satisfy you as a profit, you can close 50% of the contract size and leave your trade with the same stop loss. So what you did here is that you took some of the profits for yourself, and you guaranteed that you have this profit in your wallet, and you let the trade run. Maybe it could achieve more than 50 pips, or achieve more than 50% of the take profit you set for. But we need to be careful with the third method, as if the trade decided to reverse on you, it will hit your stop loss and it will cause you loss. So it's up to you. You can choose this method. It's also good. I assure you, it's very good method, but you need to be careful if it hits your stop loss. So this is for the third method. The fourth method that we have here is that you set your stop loss at the take profit. What does that mean? Well, if you are following us on Telegram, you would know that we send the trade with more than 5 take profits. I think the maximum take profit we send is 5 take profits. So we have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, 4 and 5. The point here is that if you are satisfied with let's say take profit 2, which is for example like 100 pip, so you will set your trade, you will wait for it to achieve take profit 2, you will leave the trade with the same stop loss and everything until take profit 2 is achieved. So what you do is that you move your stop loss to take profit 2. What happens here is if the trade decided to continue its way, well, it will achieve more than to take profit 2 for you, which is great. And if the trade decided to reverse on you and hit your stop loss, which is already at take profit 2, well, nothing will happen to you as you are and we're very satisfied with take profit 2. So here's the 4 methods. I think they are very creative. They work fascinatingly perfect with all our members. We personally use these methods on our accounts, so I decided to share it with you. Hope you guys like it and benefit from it. If you have any question, you can send us on Telegram, Instagram, or also write in the comments below this video, and one of our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So stay guys safe, and hopefully these days will pass and everybody will be fine and in a good health. So see you guys in the next video.